Hi everyone. So how are you all this bright sunny morning? Today I'm going to tell you all about a company which makes curative work process simultaneously contributing a lot towards environment by saving non-renewable energy, that is electricity. Smartest energy choice under the sun. Isn't it true? Solar energy is perhaps one of the smartest energy choices since the existence of human life. Did you know that India's 80% electricity is fully dependent on fossil fuels? Moreover, our country is largely dependent on other countries in order to meet our own electricity and fuel demands. This, in fact, adds up to the global warming as well. In order to meet the ever growing demands of the upcoming younger generations, solar energy satisfies the criteria for the perfect alternative energy solution. In India, this type of energy has been extremely high potential as India is a tropical country and has enormous amounts of both daylight and even sunlight present in its atmosphere, which appropriately suits the working of a solar panel. Why go solar? Well, there could be multiple reasons because of which one chooses to go solar. The one which is predominantly observed over a period of time from the buyer's perspective is nothing but to save money. Perhaps yes, this is the truth because of which one goes solar, no matter it being little expensive to afford. But do you know about the money which you save? It can drastically make a big difference in one's electricity bills. One can even sell the excess generated electricity and gain some pennies out of it. Do you think it is an extremely good investment to make which has such big returns? It in fact can unbelievably increase the property value as well as up to 4.1%. One can even store the excess production of energy using a solar battery and we can use it when there is an unfavorable climatic condition or even at night. It largely contributes to the environment because the current forms of energy were either coal, natural gas, or petroleum have exorbitantly caused widespread destructions of natural habitats and has harmed the mother earth as well. So, solar energy could certainly be a top priority looking at the situation and its potential in our country for multiple applications. Exhausting resources. With more than 7 billion living on this planet, there are many non renewable resources that are getting exhausted day by day and will vanish off up in the upcoming years. Firstly, we'll look at coal. Amongst all the consistently depleting fossil fuels, fortunately, coal has the highest amount of largest reserves left. Secondly, looking at oil, the amount of oil left for use if we take the current consumption rate, the oil left in years is about 46.2 years. The fear of running out of oil has become a great threat for a couple of years now. The people globally have started investing substitutes around, for example, the use of an electric car or a solar aircraft as well. Lastly, a natural gas has almost the same image existing as there are continuously ever growing demands occurring very now and then. It is expected to last about 58.6 years only. A country that runs on solar energy the most. There are several countries in this world that actually take solar power production as a viable source of energy and are try making the most out of the most abundant form of energy, solar energy. China is a country that is the world's largest solar power producer and is consistently making efforts to make solar power production expand. China had an installed capacity of more than even 30.1 gigawatt of photovoltaic capacity in 2019, which brought its total installed capacity to stand at 205.2 gigawatts. The country itself shows in the total 27% of global installations. It from a singular vision, some nations have considered curbing incentives in order to install solar panels. The Chinese government has made sure that they are rapidly and aggressively motivating and guiding financial institutions to give incentives for solar installations. According to a global energy transformation, a report by the International Renewable Energy Agency, the share of a renewable energy in the power sector would increase by about 25% in these times, to, in fact 85% by the end of 2015, which will be primarily driven by growth in solar and wind power generation. The concern for existing resources, which are continuously getting exhausted, gives the concerned authorities all the more reason to act up and, in fact, make people act up and realize the worth of few essential things which would cost more than even a dime in upcoming years. If you are ready to contribute to the well being of the environment and make full use of the cleanest source of energy without your electricity getting interrupted, contact us at www.pronouncesolar.in for more details on solar panels. For more details on solar panels and other solar related products, join us for the solar revolution. You can also follow us on a newly made social media platform including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, etc. Please like, share and comment on this video. Thank you.